I kept trying every possible way to get pregnant. It was never just to have a child. I waited until the fetus fully formed before forcing it out of my body. Then I raised it to extract serum from it. I firmly believed this serum could bring the dead back to life. Before this, I had already used fetal serum to successfully revive a dead pet. As a specialist in anatomy, I was never satisfied with only conducting tests on animals. Eager to unlock the secrets of living organisms, I decided to carry out this experiment on human beings. One day, the hospital received the body of a young girl who had just passed away from severe meningitis. After going through her medical records, I found her blood type and genome were identical to mine, making her the perfect test subject for my experiment. Taking advantage of my position, I secretly moved the girl's body to my home to start the experiment. Her mother was still drowning in grief, completely unaware that her daughter's body had been taken away. The next day, the heartbroken mother wanted to see her daughter one last time, but I kept making excuses to turn her down. She noticed I left work in a flustered manner, and strange feelings began to well up inside her. She followed me all the way to my house. I had no choice but to lie and say her daughter's body was gone. Right at that moment, an alarm suddenly went off inside the house. The woman rushed in immediately to look for her child and found her daughter's body being used in my experiment. Filled with rage, she pinned me hard against the wall.
I have to examine her or she'll die!
The woman could hardly believe what she was seeing. She reached out to touch her daughter's foot and was shocked to feel a slight response. I had no choice but to tell her the whole truth, admitting I was researching ways to bring the dead back to life and that I had already brought a dead pet back using this method. The serum extracted from embryos can stimulate cell regeneration. Since her daughter's genes matched mine perfectly, I was convinced the girl could be revived as well. Learning there was hope for her daughter, the mother, who worked as a nurse, moved in right away to take care of the girl. She injected the serum regularly and recorded every physical indicator in detail. Amazingly, the embryonic serum really worked. Within just a few days, all of the girl's vital signs miraculously returned to normal. We quickly removed all the medical tubes, and the girl truly began to breathe on her own. I was overwhelmed with excitement, thinking my research had achieved complete success. Yet soon after, strange symptoms started showing up in my own body. One day at work, I suddenly noticed heavy bleeding through my clothes. Before I could react, I collapsed to the ground. I woke up lying in a hospital ward. After a full examination, the doctor told me my uterus was severely infected by bacteria, and the only way to save my life was to remove it entirely. This meant I would never be able to get pregnant again. I was utterly devastated by the news. I could no longer supply the needed serum for the little girl, which meant she would not survive for long. All my previous efforts were about to go down the drain.